Come to order, be seated, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Mr. Blandino's case. Mr. Blandino, over here, please.
I'm representing myself on this case. I get the inside seat
So,
or stance.
come over here.
Kim Blandino appearing pro se for Kim Blandino.
Case A 907619.
So, Your Honor, I know Mr. Dickerson is on his way up for this particular matter. I have to be in some other cases. The problem is, I'm not even on this case. This is
Fine, you can go.
his motion to either appoint me or not. I just wanted to let the court know, if you want to appoint me for whatever purposes, I'm happy to take the appointment and I can do it.
Okay, I do appreciate that.
So, whether it's substitute or whatever, or whatever. So I just want
So
to.
you will be calling this case later then?
Your Honor,
Once.
I can handle it. He just lets me know, so.
Okay, all right. So go ahead. I know
Okay,
your
it's my motion then.
For appointment of, it says standby counsel.
Yes, and in conformity with Wittes, as I outlined in the motion, there's three main grounds that appointment is practical and warranted. Only A and C are relevant. The issues presented are difficult. I did a threshold petition, but I will have to amend and supplement that petition because of there's just so many grounds in there. And then C is counsel is necessary to proceed with discovery. Both of these grounds warrant what I'm asking for is appointment of standby counsel. As the judge knows, I was not allowed to represent myself at trial, even though I represented myself almost through entire pre-trial. And whether this petition, if this petition is granted or denied or dismissed, I got the right to take that appeal,
Sure.
representing myself to the Nevada Supreme Court. I was not allowed to do the direct appeal, as you well know. They denied me under Blandino versus State, 1994 case. I forget my own site.
They tend to,
Huh?
the Supreme Court tends to do what the Supreme Court wants to do.
Right, but I think it's perfectly reasonable for me to do this in light of the fact that there is going to be some extensive discovery. But I want the court to note that I've talked with the district attorney, Steve Wolfson. And as soon as we can get standby counsel appointed, he's going to take a meeting because I think that we can resolve this issue without even, this petition, without even having to go into the evidentiary hearings status, that they will. We've got cooperation from former counsel who tried to get off the case, the main case in the criminal case. That's Ben Bateman. He tried to get him off. I tried to get him off. You denied that in both instances, and he will admit to certain ineffectiveness on his own part. So therefore, on judicial economy warrants not only this appointment, but going forward, the avenue I'm trying to do. I'm trying to save scarce judicial resources on this matter because this thing can be resolved. I know all the case law says you can't summarily grant a petition. And if I give you grounds under, what's that case? Hardcastle.
What's the state's position?
Yeah.
Steve, what's your position?
Your Honor, the notes left by the deputy were just that the motion was a fugitive document and the deputy didn't plan to respond unless ordered to by the court.
What the motion for appointment of counsel?
Yeah, that's one.
It can't be fugitive.
clarification on.
It can't be
Everything
fugitive.
is a motion.
State, I can't hear them when you're talking over.
I'm
them.
sorry, Judge.
I don't know if he thought it was on for a different motion, so I just texted him to see.
Is he gonna come down? Cause it's on for the motion for appointment of counsel.
Well, can I respond to that? It can't be fugitive
I don't
because
know
I've
that
asked for
can be
motion to
fugitive,
leave.
So,
No, that's. exactly what I
I've asked for
said.
motion to leave to file the motion. It was filed. And so I'm still following the protocol. Under Judge Gibbons' order back in 2020, he said that even though the vexatious litigant order
you just have
exists,
the right to file the motion for appointment of counsel. All
well,
right, I'll grant that motion.
so stand by counsel then?
No, I will grant you the opportunity to file the motion.
Oh, I see.
Okay, thank you.
Well, this was the motion itself. I combined them into two.
Okay, well, clearly the state did not realize that, so I'll allow you to file the motion
Okay.
for appointment of counsel.
Who's accepting service on the DA's part, if I may ask?
Put on for 1 week. and we'll put it on for 1 week.
Okay, Judge, could I have a copy of the transcript on this?
Sure,
Thank you.
yeah.
You order a
Same,
copy?
You know, ordinary course, do what you always do.
Yeah.
But yeah, of course you can, if you want a copy of the transcript, absolutely.
Status check on motion is going to be April 15th at 8:30 AM.
Judge, just for perfect clarity, did you want me to supplement the briefing on this to give you some more meat on the bone?
Clearly, the state did not realize that, so I'll hear the motion for appointment of counsel on the 15th.
But are you asking for more meat on the bone on that?
It's up to you. You can do whatever you think is
Okay,
appropriate.
So you're not giving me any direction in that regard either way?
Thank you very much.
Okay,
Your Honor, just for clarity,
I do appreciate that.
I
Don't
don't
worry, I
need-
won't forget that.
okay, I don't need to be here for the next one, right? But if you
No.
appoint me, the court will let me know.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
Much
you.
appreciated.
thanks,
Yeah.
Judge. I'm gonna stick around. This is an administrative matter, kind of thing. I need to see, I am a reporter and I need to see your face when I'm in the courtroom.
We're done. Thank you very
But
much.
I'm gonna sit in the gallery.
On the
Your
15th.
bailiff will not allow me to
Okay,
see your
we'll see you on
face.
The 15th.
This monitor blocks
Okay,
your
all right,
face.
Mr. Fumo, are you
Can I
ready?
sit on this side? Can I sit on this side?
State of Nevada versus Grande